Hi and welcome to our EZCAM video. We're going to showcase our new fillet and slot work step. The distance on the slot on the left is 15 millimeters, requiring a ball end mill. On the right we have a slot that is 20 millimeters, requiring a bullnose tool. If I double click on the fillet, it'll give me the size, which is 15 millimeters in diameter. So we're going to use a bullnose tool with 7.5. We'll create a contour work step. The tool type displays flat, so we'll go to Advanced Tool. Change it to ball. And 15 millimeters the width of the slot. Now we'll change our toolpath type to fillet slot. We'll select the bottom face. EZCAM chains all the surfaces together that make up that slot. We'll verify our toolpath. The tool starts outside the work, comes around, and exits by the same value. I'm going to change things up a little bit. I'm going to change the tool diameter size. Now we want that tool to still stay on center. That's the benefit of this new feature. Now Z-step, rather than go full depth to the bottom, I'm going to step it down every 2 millimeters. And I'm going to exaggerate the lead in and lead out by 25.4. We use the overlap as the lead in and lead out. Verify. Now that undersized cutter remains on center. We're stepping down every 2 millimeters. And we have a larger lead in and lead out. So now for the bullnose tool. Back to Advanced. Tool 2. 20 millimeters. Corner radius of 7.5. The only difference here is we pick the center surface. And that gives us the tool path we want. And that concludes this video. Thank you for watching.